Greetings all, and welcome to my rundown of the best Chromecast apps. Plenty of Chromecast users aren't getting the most out of their device, but by installing the best apps on your Android TV or Google TV, you can make sure you've unlocked all of your device's functions and entertainment options. Before we get started, please make sure you have subscribed to the channel, and if you have any questions about the Chromecast-enabled apps mentioned, just drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to answer. Let's jump in and start to review some of the top apps options. YouTube is owned by Google, the makers of the Chromecast. So, as you would expect, the video streaming app runs really well on the device. YouTube barely needs any introduction. Whether you want music videos, gaming walkthroughs, funny short-form videos, or tutorials, it is all there, easy to stream on TV via your Chromecast. Around 3.7 million new YouTube videos are uploaded every single day, so you are never going to run out of things to watch. The best thing about YouTube is the huge variety of content options. It is the king of the video apps for pretty much everything except for full-feature films. Most of us have our favorite YouTubers, and by using the casting feature, you can watch them right there on your TV. YouTube is free to download and use, but if you want to get rid of ads, you will need to pay for the monthly subscription to YouTube Premium, currently priced at $11.99 per month. Next up, another video streaming powerhouse we've all heard of. Netflix is another of the Google Chromecast apps that needs virtually no introduction. Since starting to offer streaming content back in 2007, the service has become hugely popular and has a massive repertoire of movies and TV shows. Nowadays, Netflix is famous for developing their own shows, which means that there is a lot of content on the platform you won't find anywhere else. For example, if you want to watch the hit shows Ozark, Money Heist, or Dahmer, you will need a membership. Netflix isn't just about the new, exclusive shows, it also offers a wide range of award-winning films, documentaries, comedy shows, and much more. This is another service with more content than most people could ever consume, and it works perfectly on Chromecast with an integrated streaming function. There are 4 tiers to the Netflix subscription in the US, basic with ads, $6.99, basic, $9.99 month, standard, $15.49 month, premium, $19.99 month. All have HD content, but standard and premium offer UHD. Netflix doesn't give you the option of a free trial, but it doesn't lock you into long contracts either. You can cancel anytime you want. Netflix is hugely popular for a reason. People love the content that is on there. It's one of the most downloaded and enjoyed Chromecast apps. Now, let's move on to the next app on our list. Plex is an interesting and unique service that gives you the option to manage your media library and streaming options. It gives you access to some free streaming content and live TV channels, but it also has an option for users to run a media server. This makes it easy to stream videos directly from a computer or other device to your Chromecast device. There are a lot of movies and television shows you can stream using your Plex device, but they aren't necessarily the biggest, most popular, or most recent releases. This is to be expected as it is a free service that's supported by ads. Plex has a free plan which allows you to use a lot of their functionality, but also has a paid Plex Plus that varies in price depending on whether you pay monthly, annually, or for a lifetime membership. Monthly plan, $5 a month annual plan, $40 a year lifetime plan, $120 one-time fee. Plex is a great option for those who want to manage their own media and videos as well as streaming, but it won't give you access to the same content quality as some other options like Netflix. Still, it is a convenient app with a lot of customization options. Time to explore what's next on our list of Chromecast apps. Twitch live streaming is huge, especially in the world of gaming. The Twitch app is another Chromecast-compatible option. It gives you the chance to watch people playing your favorite games, follow along with the sports, and more. A lot of people even enjoy Twitch for the music playlists people make and broadcast. Twitch is amazing for the sense of community and gives you access to a lot of different content creators. It's free to download, but memberships allow you to leave tips for your favorite streamers. Let's move on to a Chromecast app for music lovers. Spotify has over 400 million users worldwide. It can provide you access to most of the music ever released by major record labels, all for $9.99 a month. Spotify's popularity is partially down to the fact that it can be used on so many different devices, and the app can be used on your phone to listen to albums and playlists, or it can be used on Chromecast. The music streaming service has also branched out and is now one of the biggest platforms in the world for accessing podcasts, too, and it has a lot of unique and exclusive podcasts. When streaming music and podcasts using Chromecast, you will also see the album artwork on screen, so it isn't just a blank stream staring back at you. It's easy to set up and boasts endless audio content. And last on our list is another musical app. SoundCloud is another audio-based app that is compatible with your Chromecast. It is free to start using, but does have a $4.99 fee if you want to unlock full functionality via SoundCloud Go. The app is great for content creators, and a lot of musicians release exclusive content, remixes, and rarities via their SoundCloud. This is especially true in the electronic and hip-hop scenes, where SoundCloud has also become a way to discover music. The SoundCloud app also has full DJ sets, podcasts, and more unique audio content, so you can be sure there is plenty of content to stream to your Chromecast. So there we have it, some of the best Chromecast apps offering a variety of different entertainment options, both visual and audio. What do you think? Leave a comment below to have your say. Have a great day, and feel free to share and like this video as well as subscribe to the channel for more tech guides.